Welcome. This complete AI documentary was created using AI. Now, let's learn how to create professional business documentaries. AI is changing business forever. Today, anyone can create professional documentaries without expensive cameras, studios, or large production teams. AI saves time, reduces costs, and helps anyone create professional business documentaries quickly and efficiently. Creating an AI documentary is easy. Write your script, generate images, animate them, add voiceover, edit, and create your final documentary. Every great documentary starts with a powerful script. Keep your message clear, simple, valuable, and easy for everyone to understand. Now generate high-quality AI images. Clear prompts create better visuals and make your documentary look more professional and engaging. Transform your AI images into cinematic videos using smooth motion, realistic animation, and natural camera movements for maximum impact. A clear, natural AI voice keeps viewers engaged and helps your message sound more professional and easy to understand. Now edit your documentary. Add captions, smooth transitions, and export a clean, professional final video. Always use the same character. Consistency creates a professional documentary and gives your audience a better viewing experience. Transform your AI images into cinematic videos. Add natural motion and smooth camera movement to make every scene look realistic. Choose the right AI tool for your project. Each platform offers unique features to create faster, smarter, and more professional videos. Use a natural AI voiceover with clear pronunciation. It makes your documentary more engaging, professional, and easier to understand. Add background music and sound effects, but keep your voice clear. Balanced audio makes every documentary easier to watch and understand. Combine your images, animations, voiceover, music, subtitles, and logo into one polished documentary that looks professional and engaging. Before exporting, review every detail. Check voiceover, subtitles, timing, audio quality, and visual consistency for a flawless documentary. Use real business examples like ERP workflows and dashboards. Practical examples make your documentary more valuable, engaging, and easier to understand. Publish your AI documentary and share it across YouTube, LinkedIn, your website, and training platforms to reach a global audience. AI makes documentary creation faster, more affordable, and professional, helping you produce high-quality videos in less time. Combine business knowledge with AI, and you'll have the skills to create the future. Start building your first AI documentary today. The most successful creators never stop learning. Every new AI tool, every business insight, and every project makes your next documentary even better. When you combine AI with real business knowledge, you don't just create videos. You solve problems, improve productivity, train teams, and create real business impact. AI documentaries are transforming corporate training. Teach employees faster, standardize knowledge, and deliver engaging learning experiences across every department. AI documentaries are for everyone: consultants, trainers, students, creators, and business leaders. Start creating today. The future belongs to those who master AI. Start learning today and build tomorrow. Your AI documentary journey starts today. Turn your ideas into reality and inspire the world. Keep learning, keep creating, keep growing. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.